Welcome to another rice water video.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am.
Hello Hunnies, and welcome to today's video. So today guys, I'm going to be trying rice water on my edges. If you haven't seen my previous rice water video about me trying rice water on my face for 7 days, I really had good results. You can always check that out here. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I know you like this video. So now talking about my edges. Basically my edges have gone through life. Like for the past 5 years, I've been making bad choices for my edges. I've been doing tight braids, tight Ghana weaving. I've also been packing my hair up if I'm leaving my natural hair. But I always pack it up because it was really easy to do. So basically I'm trying to regrow my edges. So let me show you how to make rice water first. So honey, to make the rice water, I'm going to be using a quarter Jbco of rice, which is 200 grams of rice. And I'm also going to be using local rice, proudly made in Nigeria. You can basically use any rice you have at home: brown rice, white rice, jasmine rice, it doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to clean the rice. I'm going to rinse it out and remove all the impurities. After doing that, I'm going to put the rice in a mason jar. You can use any airtight container you have at home. So guys, I'm going to pour in clean water into the mason jar. I'm very sorry for my clumsiness. I'm using one hand to hold the camera. That's why water was spilling out. So after that, I'm just going to cover it up and let the rice water ferment. And I'm going to come back in a day or two to check it out. So this has been sitting for 48 hours or more, 2 days basically. Today's going to be the third day. I feel like it has fermented enough. I don't know, I just like to overdo it because my edges need strong power. So I'm just going to put in a spray bottle. So I'm just going to take the bottle, take a sieve, take a funnel and take a sieve. This is what I'm going to be working with. And I'm going to open the bottle, the jar. This thing actually stinks a whole lot, so I hope I can do this. So basically this is it. So it's still remaining actually. I'm going to pour it in my other spray bottle. So let me just get to using this. So guys, because of the way it smells, I'm going to be adding lavender essential oil to this mixture because this thing smells. It's not like I'm not used to the smell of rice water because I've used rice water before last year and I know that okay, it tends to smell after it has fermented a lot, but this is how it's cloudy. I'm going to add like maybe 5 or 10 drops because this thing really smells. And I'm going to be using, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like it's not really smelling. The lavender oil is not really smelling, like it's just lightly. I'm gonna cover my spray bottle. I hope I can use this thing, honestly. So right now, let me show you what we're working with. You want to see my edges? I know you want to see my edges. You want to know what does this girl want to grow. So basically, my hair is in a very distressed hairstyle. So see my edges. I'm gonna be trying this on my edges. I'm just gonna turn this open and I'm going to spray and attack it on this. So I'm going to be using rice water morning and night for the next 2 weeks, and I'm going to come back and give you guys an update on my rice water. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified when I post my updates on my rice water. So have a very splendid weekend. Bye.